Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Subway Surfers with friends. While the game doesn't feature a direct real-time multiplayer option, you can still enjoy friendly competition. The primary way to engage with your friends is by comparing scores on the in-game leaderboards. This allows you to challenge each other indirectly, striving to achieve the highest score. Make sure both you and your friends have the latest game update for seamless connection. To begin, launch the Subway Surfers app on your phone or tablet. Once inside the game, look for the settings icon, which usually resembles a small gear. Tap on this to open the settings menu. Within these options, you will find a prompt to connect your Facebook account. Follow the on-screen instructions to link your account, ensuring you grant the required permissions so the game can see your friends. Once your social account is connected, you'll see your friends who also play Subway Surfers listed on a special leaderboard. This is where the friendly competition truly begins. You can view their personal best scores and then try to beat them. The leaderboard refreshes every 7 days, giving you a new chance each week to climb to the #1 spot. It's a fun way to challenge each other indirectly. To consistently achieve higher scores and dominate the leaderboards, focus on collecting and upgrading power-ups. The jetpack, super sneakers, and coin magnet are particularly helpful. Upgrading these items will make them last longer and work better during your runs. Also, remember to complete your daily challenges and missions. They provide excellent rewards like coins and keys. Consistent practice will sharpen your skills, helping you navigate obstacles and extend your runs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.